Hello everyone and welcome back. Today we're gonna see how to set up Ueevii wireless bridge. Firstly, connect each bridge device to its PoE injector or power adapter. Connect the PoE injector LAN port to the device and the other port to a power source. Many bridges are prepared by default, device A, device B, and wait a few minutes. The signal indicator lights should stabilize when the link is successfully solid. If the bridges are paired, you are ready to use them. No manual configuration is needed. If the devices are not auto-paired, follow these steps. Connect your computer to bridge A using an Ethernet cable. Set a static IP on your computer and open a web browser and type the bridge's default IP address. Log in using the default username and password and set the roles. On bridge A, set it to AP mode, and on bridge B, set it to client mode. Ensure both devices use the same SSID and password and channel bandwidth and frequency settings. Save the settings and reboot both devices, then test connection. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.